Protective style and tight should not be in the same sentence. You need like 500,000 naira, or you need like 100,000 naira worth of product and all of that before your hair can thrive. That is not true. Natural hair scams you should not be falling for in 2026, like big 2026, obviously. So there are a lot of things going on, there are a lot of news here and there, and I don't want you to fall victim. This video is going to save you money, it's going to save you time, it's going to save you a whole lot of hassle. So you don't want to miss any points, and our advice is stay to the end because you need this video. Anyway, moving on. The first thing is, you see all these hair growth oil that will tell you, oh, it's going to grow your hair in 3 days, it's going to grow your hair in 5 days. My hair grew like 5 inches within 1 month. It's not possible, because on an average we grow like half an inch a month. So how will somebody come and promise you that, oh, if you use this oil your hair is going to grow 5 inches in a month, and you will believe and go and buy that oil? Can't see that that is like scam of scams that you've ever fallen for. You don't need anybody to tell you that this thing is not true. Don't waste your money. Don't spend your hard-earned resources on a product that is, based on lies. You need to get something that, over time you're going to see results. That is why when people say, oh, when I use rosemary oil, am I going to start seeing visible results like as fast as the word fast? I'll be like, everybody's process is different. The fact that it's working, at this pace for me might not work at that same pace for you. So you need to, watch your timing. Watch and see, oh, is this thing going to work for me? I just need to be patient. Patience is the thing. You need to be patient in your product. Anybody that will tell you that this product will grow your hair Rapunzel style within weeks, run. Moving on. Don't fall for people that will say, oh, this product is going to work for only 4C hair. If you don't have 4C hair, it will not work for you. All these type-based products, don't fall for it. Because why will you say, oh, this product is going to work for only 4C hair? That one alone is a turn off, to be honest, because most products are meant to be versatile. They are meant to be versatile. They are meant to, work for different hair types, right? But when you just say, oh, it's only for 4C hair, if you don't have 4C hair, move. Or you say, oh, it's only for 3A hair, if you don't have 3A hair, move. Do you understand? And, you will not be boxed. You will not, be able to use products as well as you should. Run for products like that. So if anybody tells you, oh, you need like $200 worth of products for your hair to grow, you need like 500,000 naira, or you need like 100,000 naira worth of products and all of that before your hair can thrive, that is not true. You can actually create a very simple routine with just like 5 steps and very affordable products. The simpler the merrier. The fact that your routine is simple doesn't mean you will not see visible results. I, for one, I don't use like expensive hair products, and my hair is thriving. So can you see that you just need like the basics for your hair to thrive? Once you have an affordable shampoo that is good, not just a random shampoo because it's affordable, you say, oh, your favorite hair coach said we should get affordable shampoo. As long as it is good, you understand, and it does the job, then you're good to go. There are so many brands that prioritizes, quality at an affordable rate. So once you have your shampoo, once you have your leave-in conditioner, once you have your deep conditioner, your shea butter, your hair growth oil, once you have these 5, you are good to go. You can start with this. Then moving on, you can transcend into getting like hair masks. But for now, this one works perfectly. I, for one, I don't use hair masks. I can't remember when last. I don't even think I've used hair masks. I can't remember if at all I have. For me not to even remember, that shows that, it's something that I don't even put in my routine. Like for the longest, I don't put it in my routine. Not because it will not work, but because my simple step has been making my hair thrive. I don't want to incorporate something that at the end of the day I'll regret, or I don't want to follow trend. I don't want to follow what is raining. Everybody's doing it, doesn't make it something that will be profitable at that time. Do you understand? So I'm not saying those that are using hair masks are in the wrong, not at all. But what I'm saying is simplicity goes a long way. And don't put yourself under so much pressure because you want to get like 8-step routine, you want to get like 10-step routine, right? Just work with what you have. Moving on, don't fall for people that will tell you, oh, your protective style has to be tight for you to see that it's going to last for this and that. It is not true. Your protective style does not necessarily have to be tight at all. It should not even be tight. protective style and tight should not be in the same sentence, because you're going to cause tension on your scalp, you're going to be in so much pain, and that's not what we want in 2026. So if somebody tells you that, oh, if the hairstyle is not tight, it will not last, run from that kind of hairstylist. They're just out for your edges, they're just out for your hair in general, they're just going to give you excessive shedding, and if you want to hold it, it's left to you. But for me, any hairstyle that is, very tight, I run far from it. The reason why sometimes I even stick to a particular hairstylist is if, you don't cause tension on my scalp, because I'm very tender-headed. So I'm very skeptical about who will do my hair and all of that. So if I notice that your hand is becoming too distant, sometimes it's just a lot to bear, and I don't want to go through that process. Don't allow the hair to be tight. Just do something that is manageable for the moment. And also, if anybody promises that you are going to have waist length within 5 months, or you're going to have butt length within 7 months, don't believe those things, right? Because the way you handle your hair really matters, and majority of you out there don't know how to handle your hair. That is why you are really breaking off a lot of your ends, and you see that you're not retaining length. Because if you know the rudiment on how to retain length, it will not even be a topic of discussion in 2026. But that one is for another day. So all I have to tell you is, if somebody promises you that within months, run far from the person. Run far from all those clickbaits that you see. Oh, they will just change either the lighting setup, or they'll just edit it and make their hair look extra long just for you to fall for the propaganda that, oh, your hair can grow within this certain months. That is rather unfair, right? You need to stick to somebody that will tell you the truth and exactly the way it is. Don't fall for propagandas that will cost you a lot of money, that will waste your time, and at the end of how many years there's nothing to show for it. You need to work with someone that will tell you the facts as it is, no capping, as it be. Now they will tell you. Do you understand? So I just hope that this would help you moving on, and you will try from this. I am your favorite hair coach. I have an ebook where you can learn even more on how to grow healthy long hair in 2026, and the link is in the description box. Click on it and get yours. It's available for everybody. And also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If this video has been very helpful for you, save this video for when next, so that you don't fall for certain propagandas, or in quotes, scams online as regards your natural hair in 2026. Yeah, I'll see you in my next. I remain your favorite hair coach. Bye guys.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele then call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele